And welcome back to another episode, another video of Coffee and Stocks. In today's video, we are going to talk about three different stocks that could definitely give us a huge potential win in obviously with our money. But before we get started, can I please ask you guys to drop a like in this video as well as press that amazing subscribe button. It does go a long way in supporting the channel. I do thank every single one of you guys, obviously, because you guys have been amazing and have been growing this channel quite a bit. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below because it really does help with this YouTube algorithm. Now, we are going to talk about three stocks that are technically, in a huge discount, but don't forget that we are currently going through a situation where there is a correction going on. And if you didn't sell or, got some gains previously and you're still holding on, that is completely fine. Don't you worry. If if the stock goes under what your average price is at, don't forget you can still average cost your dollars. Buy when it's super low, so the average does go a little bit lower. Now we are going to talk only three, just obviously, so we could just get to the point. Right, I want to get to the point with these three stocks. First one that I do want to talk about is Palantir Technologies. Now, Palantir has grown so much over the past couple months, 6 months, etc. And obviously they deal with a lot of data, they deal with software, they deal with all that kind of stuff. They do work with the government as well as other institutions, which is, in my point of view, is really great. If you do work with the government, you are secured huge contracts, which in return is a lot of money. Then your company increases, then more people are buying more of your shares and stocks. Currently going for $23.59. Yes, it had a huge drop from its $38.17 this past February 9th. That is more than 38% decrease, but don't think about it as a 38% loss. Think about it as a 38% discount on this stock. Now, if you didn't join in this stock previously, it's okay. Don't you worry. It has been dropping quite a bit. I don't expect it to drop under $15. So definitely you could still have a huge opportunity with this company. I do believe they will explode to the upside once this correction is all good and done. Don't forget, there's always going to be corrections. There's always going to be corrections, so don't be afraid of them. If you didn't sell at one point, don't you panic. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not take my words as advice. I just want to tell you guys, this is for entertainment purposes only, and I am not a financial advisor. Go consult your financial advisor. Go talk to him. Go ask him questions, or her, whoever they are. But be careful when investing in company. Their 52-week high is at $45, which is really freaking great. Let's be honest. $45 is amazing. Their market cap is still pretty high at $42.99 billion, which is still great. Don't get me wrong, their revenue has increased year to year, which is great. They are doing great things. Unfortunately, obviously there is a correction going on, so a lot of people are panicking, and a lot of people are panicking. They're selling their stock because it's just wild. Next stock that I do want to talk about is Lordstown Motors. I know I've talked about this company before. I know you guys are pretty, might be a little sick about it, but look at this. It's currently going for $19. That is pretty good. We look at the 52-week high of $31. I mean, who does not want to buy this stock at this price? Am I right? So let's go to the 6-month chart over here. Right here, it is also at a 38% discount. Yes, there is a lot of volatility with this because they were going through some issues. They weren't making any trucks, and then there was a seller's report that came out and all kinds of crap that came out, which hurt the company. They don't currently have any trucks out quite yet, but this year I do believe they've had quite a bit of people putting in they want to buy the cars, and each one of these is 10,000 vehicles that they are going out there, or something around that area. Don't quote me on it, but I do believe in this company. I do believe in this company in the long run, not short run. Obviously I do hold shares of this stock, and I haven't quite sold any of them. My price range was at around $16-17. $19 is not bad. I'm not buying any more quite yet. I might buy a few, but I don't want to raise my average price as of yet. I do believe in this company. Don't forget, it is EV. With this new administration, presidential administration, they are going for greener areas, greener energy. They are going for huge EV companies. So I do believe Ride, ticker symbol Ride, or Lordstown Motors, is gonna be great. Don't forget, Workhorse also owns a 10% stake in this. So there is still huge opportunities out there. There is this one thing that came out yesterday. Lordstown Motors and Holman Enterprises announced co-marketing agreement and expanded alliance, which is really great. So Ride has entered into an agreement with Holman Enterprises, a global automotive service organization, including a co-marketing agreement and vehicle procurement with ARI. So that is really great. They are still partnering up with other people in multiple areas and multiple ways, not necessarily merging, but in marketing, which is really great. So they're gonna have their name and their face out there a little bit more, which to me is pretty great. All right, so last stock that I do want to talk about is a ChargePoint stock. I haven't talked about this stock in quite a bit of time. I do believe when I did talk about this company, they were going for around $9. I mean, come on. $9 to $28 is freaking huge. But think about it this way, right? In the past month, they've gotten from $41 to what is this price? $28.33. That is a 30% decrease, right? In the past 6 months, if you take it from the highest of highest that they had as $46, that is a 38%. Again, 38% discount. Technically a correction, but 38% discount, which is freaking great. I did talk to him when around this area right here, which is really great. I mean, if you think about it, when they first started talking, when everyone first started talking about it, they were going for $10, and then all of a sudden that is a 341% increase to the upside, which is really great. If you haven't invested in this company, $28 isn't that bad in my opinion. I mean, it could be better, but since this correction is a little crazy, I do believe this company is good for the long run. There is one thing about this, is ChargePoint becomes the world's first, look at this, first publicly traded global EV charging network. That is amazing. They are still making headlines. They are still making great news. $28. I mean, if you want to wait a little bit more on this company, that is completely fine. Don't you worry. Once again, I am not a financial advisor, but I do believe in this company in the long run. ChargePoint is gonna make better numbers than just $28, and as you guys can see right here, 52-week high is at $49. I do believe they're gonna reach that point again, so don't you guys worry if you guys are still holding the bag on this one. All right. Anyways, that was today's video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. It does go a long way in supporting the channel. I thank every single one of you guys, and I will see you guys next. Oh, don't forget to comment down below. Comment down below anything that you guys want me to talk about, and I will see you guys next time on Coffee and Stocks.